what you get. Isn't it beautiful? Here's another. And another. And another. In fact, I made a bunch of these, and they're all mesmerizing and beautiful, and isn't the ground state of the hydrogen atom just so cute? And aren't the excited states so majestic? There's so much structure and detail in them, I just love it. You can see patterns in the orbitals, and you can get a sense that they actually are orbitals. I mean, something is orbiting. Okay, so I do have to be clear. The dots don't each represent a separate electron. The whole collection represents the wave function of a single electron, and the individual dots represent all the places that electron could be. A higher density of dots means a higher probability of the electron being there. The bigger orbitals are the ones with higher energies, because electrons with more energy are more likely to be far away from the nucleus. The motion of the dots is showing the flow of the wave function, and does correspond to an extent with its actual angular momentum, though they're not electron trajectories. Unless you think Bohmian trajectories are real, in which case they really are electron trajectories. I'll let the philosophers of physics fight that one out. But the point is, these visuals are created by representing actual electron wave functions in a visual language that our brains can understand, that of objects and light and shadows and motion in 3D space. There's actually stuff orbiting, and they're pretty. I hope you like them as much as I do. Oh, one final thing. I 100% get that these are not easy to draw. So if you want a cartoon representation of an atom that's simple but more closely based in atomic physics, here's my proposal. It's based on the orbitals from the p block of the periodic table. One of them has the electron orbiting one way, one in the opposite way, and in the third one the electron is orbiting the same amount, but around some perpendicular direction, and we can't know which is why the dots aren't moving in the middle orbital, and why I've drawn a dotted line and question mark for the sideways circle. And if you want, you can add an electron to each orbital, or 2 electrons, one oriented spin up and one spin down. This is a Minute Physics approved cartoon representation of an atom. But really, the beautiful 3D ones are where my heart is.